Hello everyone. My name is Emma. I'm from South Korea and now I'm volunteering in IYF Rwanda, a youth organization. I'm so happy to be here and share my heart with you. Today I want to talk about connecting hearts. Before I was very introspective and taciturn. The time I didn't have many friends. Later in the middle school, I could make more friends. So I always tried to be good in front of my friends and follow them, even though I didn't want and feel uncomfortable. But one day, suddenly they rejected and ignored me for days. I could feel there is war between my friends and me. After that, I cared about my relationship with others more than before. Even though I recovered relationship with my friends, I tried to hide my heart and kept everything in my heart. Even misunderstanding. I just keep and judge others in my heart. I never expressed my true heart. When I did like this, I couldn't feel burden, and I could be good and kind person in other people's sight. I always protected myself like this. But after I came to Rwanda for volunteering, I could change my thought through mind lecture. I could learn how to speak out and express my heart. In beginning, I felt fearful. But when I spoke out my heart, I could know the hearts of others. And even though I may have problems, I could overcome, and my heart become bright. Electricity can flow through electric wire. But if this wire breaks, electricity can flow, and also we can't use electric appliance. Likewise, human's heart can flow through conversation with others. When we connect our heart with others, we can get true happiness in our life. I hope that you don't hide your heart and express it and become happy like me. Thank you for listening to my testimony.